This video will provide a basic tutorial of how to use Napoleon's ACCU-PROBE Pro X wireless thermometer. The top of the ACCU-PROBE Pro X hosts a power button, which powers on the dock and turns on pairing mode when held for 7 seconds. The bottom hosts a charging port for connecting the supplied USB-C charging cable to the dock. And the back hosts 2 magnet locations, additional information on the dock, and QR codes for downloading the Napoleon Home App and entering the serial number. The probe itself hosts 5 internal sensors from the tip to the minimum insertion line, which detect the coldest point of the food to accurately gauge the internal temperature. When the probe is in use, the internal food sensors can reach a maximum of 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius. The end of the ceramic handle hosts a 6th sensor to gauge the ambient temperature around the probe to better manage the cooking environment. This sensor can withstand temperatures up to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit or 650 degrees Celsius. When using the probe, it's important to note that it must be inserted to the minimum insertion line, but preferably up to the ceramic tip whenever possible to avoid damage from overheating, which will void the warranty. Before you begin using the ACCU-PROBE Pro X, ensure the dock and probe have been charged for a minimum of 30 minutes before first use. Charging is indicated by a white and green flashing LED on the dock, which will remain flashing white when fully charged. Always ensure that the probe is correctly installed into the dock so it can be charged correctly. When fully charged, the probe can last over 50 hours, so it can be used for multiple long cook times. While the probe and dock are charging, open the App Store or Google Play Store on your desired connected device, then locate and download the Napoleon Home App. Once downloaded, log into your account or create a new one following the on-screen prompts. Once charged, remove the probe, then press and hold the power button for 5 to 7 seconds to place the dock in pairing mode. This is indicated by the dock LED blinking blue and white. After doing this, open the Napoleon Home App and select the Add a Device button, or the plus sign, on the bottom right-hand corner of the home screen. From here, follow the steps on screen to pair the ACCU-PROBE Pro X to the mobile device. When opening the ACCU-PROBE Pro X in the Napoleon Home App, you will find the main landing screen. On this page, you will find the device name, dock battery level, and settings icon. It also hosts the internal sensor temperature, ambient temperature, and battery level listed for the probe. The ACCU-PROBE Pro X must be paired to the Napoleon Home App to function. The ACCU-PROBE Pro X hosts a 900-foot or 275-meter range between the connected device, the dock, and the probe. The magnets on the back allow it to be placed on metal surfaces as desired. When considering a location, it's important to note that the dock must not be exposed to moisture or direct sunlight, so storage outdoors is not suggested. To get started, open the Napoleon Home App and select Setup Probe. A number of options will appear to allow the selection of the type of food being cooked, a review of previous grills, or to set up the probe manually. Once the desired food has been selected, select the doneness to ensure the food is cooked to the correct temperature. After these have been selected, set the desired ambient temperature or an acceptable temperature range that the food will be cooked in. This will need to be set each time the probe is being used, according to the desired cooking style. When selecting the location for the probe, ensure it is inserted to the minimum insertion line or up to the ceramic cap as long as the tip isn't protruding out the opposite side of the food. It is suggested to insert the probe into the side of the food rather than sticking it through the top or bottom to ensure an accurate reading of the ambient temperature. A notification will pop up on the connected device if the probe senses it is not inserted correctly or if temperatures close to the maximum are observed. If this happens, use gloves to carefully adjust or remove the probe immediately. To avoid overheating, ensure no portion of the probe is in contact with the cooking grids or rotisserie spit. During cooking, the internal and ambient temperatures will be displayed on the Napoleon Home App. You will be able to view a graph of current and past temperatures to allow close monitoring of the food to ensure it's cooked to perfection. When a probe has reached the desired internal temperature, the Napoleon Home App will send a notification through the connected device. After the food has been cooked, allow the probe to remain in the food until it has been removed from the cooking surface. This reduces the chances of dropping the probe causing damage. When the food is rested on a stable surface, The probe can be removed using gloves as it will be very hot. Ensure to place the probe on a heat-resistant surface to cool naturally before cleaning. The Napoleon Home App will then offer the option to end, share, or end and save the grill for future reference. The probe can be cleaned by hand with warm water and dish soap, but is also dishwasher safe. Ensure that the ceramic cap is free from debris or buildup to ensure that it can make stable contact with the charging dock. Always ensure the probe is clean, dry, and cool to the touch before reinstalling it into the dock. When storing the dock while not in use, it can be turned off by pressing and holding the on-off button for 3 seconds.